Hey, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this particular wig review is coming from one of our new favorite companies in all of America right now, Miss LuvMeHair. That's right, me and LuvMeHair have teamed up to bring you guys another wonderful wig review. So, you guys have already checked out my cute little review with them from the last time, so we partnered up again to do another one. So of course we're gonna take off that purple bow because we all love purple around here, and let me go. This is not it. And of course I'm actually going to show you guys how to actually put this on, and we're going to talk about the content that's in the box. So let's go on and take off our handy dandy magical scarf. Pop that off real fast. It's like magic. And you can tell we was all prepped and ready because we have our silicone band on already. So what you're going to do is literally just, I don't utilize the comb in mine because I wear a silicone band. But what you're going to do is get it up there as good as possible. You're going to take your straps, wrap it around, and take the back of your unit and hold it down. And that's it. That's literally it. And you could wear it like this, or since my baby hair is already done, you're going to slide it back just a little bit. And you're going to utilize one of these cute little caps that comes in here. Of course, we're going to do leopard. Why not? We do leopard for everything around here. And we're going to take it. And we're going to put it on, and that is literally it, you guys. That's literally how you put on the wig with no issue. Make sure your baby hairs are showing because you didn't put forth that much effort, not for anyone to see them. And it's real cute, very snazzy, very cute. You can reflat iron. This is 100% human hair. Like I said, this is 12 inches. It is 150 density. As far as being a headband unit goes, that is a plus. The contents that come in your box when you get a headband unit, I got 5 headbands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 headbands. And of course you get your cute little care package from LuvMeHair also. And I'll show you the contents of the headbands like that. And so, and of course a cute little camouflage one, which I think is cute. The other thing that you get is, like I said, is the cute little LuvMeHair care packaging. If you guys have never gotten a LuvMeHair wig, then you don't know that you get a cute little care package that has bobby pins, an elastic band, a bendable or posable headband, edge control brush, and a cute little pin that says "Love Me" on there, which I think is really, really cute. So, of course, as always, we do have a coupon code. It is written down below, and of course, it will be in the description box. Make sure you utilize your coupon code so you can get some coins taken off. You guys, y'all know we like coins being taken off around here, so definitely utilize that coupon code with LuvMeHair so you can get a good amount off your purchase. So just remember, this is from LuvMeHair, and this is their 12-inch headband unit that is 150 density. If this video is informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.